Ever wondered how many types of flour exist in the world and how each of them contributes distinctively to the art of pastry making? Flour, a seemingly simple ingredient, can create an array of pastries with varying textures and flavors. Today, we delve into the world of flours and discover how 5 different types play their unique roles in pastry creation. First on the list is all-purpose flour. As the name suggests, this versatile flour suits almost all baking needs. From cookies to cakes, bread to pastries, all-purpose flour can do it all. It has a balanced protein content, between 10 to 12%, giving pastries just the right structure and tenderness. Second, we have bread flour. With a protein content ranging from 12 to 14%, it gives the dough more elasticity and strength. This makes it ideal for bread and other leavened pastries. The high protein content results in higher gluten development, providing that desired chewy texture in bread. Third up is cake flour. With a protein content of only 6 to 8%, cake flour is the go-to choice for soft and tender pastries, like sponge cakes, muffins, and biscuits. Its low protein content means less gluten is formed, which results in a finer crumb structure. The fourth flour on our list is whole wheat flour. This flour is a wholesome choice as it contains the entire wheat kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm. This means it is rich in fiber and nutrients. It imparts a nutty flavor to the pastries, making it a favorite for health-conscious bakers. However, due to its high fiber content, it absorbs more liquid and can make pastries denser. Lastly, we have pastry flour, a slightly confusing name because unlike all-purpose flour, it's not suitable for all types of pastries. Pastry flour has a protein content of 8 to 9%, making it perfect for pie crusts, tarts, and cookies. It strikes a balance between the softness of cake flour and the strength of all-purpose flour, delivering a tender but slightly crumbly texture. To sum it up, the choice of flour significantly influences the texture, structure, and flavor of pastries. All-purpose flour sits comfortably in the middle, suitable for a wide range of pastries. Bread flour, with its high protein content, gives strength and elasticity, perfect for bread and leavened pastries. Cake flour, being low in protein, delivers soft and tender pastries. Whole wheat flour, rich in fiber and nutrients, imparts a nutty flavor but can make pastries denser. And finally, pastry flour finds its sweet spot in the making of pie crusts, tarts, and cookies, delivering a tender but slightly crumbly texture. Remember, baking is a science and an art, and knowing your ingredients is the first step towards creating a masterpiece. So next time you bake, remember to choose your flour wisely. Happy baking!